बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी ऑन संडे फरवरी 25 2024 के अखबार में। तो ये पहली जॉब है करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी इन बैंकिंग। द बैंक ऑफ पंजाब इज़ वन ऑफ द लीडिंग बैंक्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान विद अ लार्ज नेटवर्क ऑफ ओवर 800 प्लस ऑनलाइन ब्रांचेस इंक्लूडिंग इस्लामिक banking branches across Pakistan. BOP invites applications from high caliber seasoned professionals for the following position in its people and organizational excellence group at head office Lahore. Position group head people and organizational excellence group bracket में लिखा हुआ P and OIG grade EVP / SEVP location Lahore. Job summary / major responsibilities. The group head people and organizational excellence group will be responsible for partnering with functional leaders. ये आप लोग इसका जो है ना स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ठीक है। अच्छा, द कैंडिडेट शुड बी एलिजिबल अंडर FPT क्राइटेरिया ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान. द पोजीशन डिमांड्स हाईली मोटिवेटेड रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड इंडिविजुअल विद डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड एक्सपीरियंस एंड लीडरशिप skills and well versed with applicable banking regulations, labor laws and practices. General eligibility criteria qualification graduate / postgraduate from HEC recognized university / foreign university. Candidates having international certifications in HR will have added advantage. Experience minimum 12 years of experience including 5 years at a similar position / role. Banking experience will be preferred but not mandatory. Age not more than 55 years as of date of application. The individuals who fulfill the above mentioned eligibility criteria may apply in confidence. The position carries attractive market-based remuneration. Interested candidates are encouraged to apply online at https://www.rosie.pk/company/the-bank-of-punjab-bop latest by 10th March 2024. Please note only shortlisted candidates shall be called for interview. No TA/DA will be admissible. B. The Bank of Punjab reserves the right to accept or reject any applications without assigning any reasons thereof. BOP phone banking 111267200 BOP. अच्छा जी, ये पाकिस्तान नेशनल शिपिंग कॉरपोरेशन करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ था. पाकिस्तान नेशनल शिपिंग कॉरपोरेशन PNSC group of companies as the national flag carrier undertakes global shipping operations. PNSC requires high caliber and result oriented professionals for the position of serial number 1. Position Marine Superintendent Fleet Bulker. Qualification and experience certificate of competency class 1 deck minimum 2 years sailing experience bracket में लिखा हुआ है last 5 years experience of general cargo vessel maximum age limit 60 years. Number 2 Superintendent Engineer ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है टैंकर. सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंसी क्लास 1 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मोटर 1 to 2 years सेलिंग एक्सपीरियंस एज चीफ इंजीनियर ऑन LR और FRAMEX टैंकर्स ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है लास्ट 5 years. एक्सपीरियंस एज ए सुपरिटेंडेंट इंजीनियर वुड बी प्रेफर्ड 60 years. नंबर 3 सुपरिटेंडेंट इंजीनियर बल्क करियर सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कॉम्पिटेंसी क्लास 1 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मोटर 1 to 2 years सेलिंग एक्सपीरियंस एज चीफ इंजीनियर ऑन जनरल कार्गो शिप्स ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है लास्ट 5 years. 1 to 2 years experience as a superintendent engineer would be preferred 60 years age. Number 4 assistant ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है fleet intermediate minimum 5 years experience of working in ship management company. Experience on handling fleet related matters with mercantile marine department and DG port and shipping is preferable. Good in operating computer to be familiar with MS Office application 50 years age. 5 assistant bunker intermediate minimum 5 years experience of working in bunker Related jobs such as tendering, procurement, and correspondence with suppliers. Hands-on experience on ERP is preferable. Good in operating computer to be familiar with MS Office application. Age limit 50 years. Company is an equal opportunity employer. NOC is mandatory for candidates working in government organizations. Appointment will be on contract initially for a period of 2 years, extendable with mutual consent. Selected candidates will be offered market-based remuneration, mutual consent. Selected candidates will be offered market-based remuneration, mutual consent. Selected candidates will be offered क्या हो गया है Selected candidates will be offered market-based remuneration package commensurate with qualifications and experience. Interested candidates may apply through online application form available at PNSC website www.pnsc.com.pk. Last date of submission of application is 12th March 2024. Job description is available on PNSC website. Only shortlisted applications shall be called for interview. No TA/T or expenses shall be payable. Job quotas as prescribed. White established division. Notification number #S.R.O. number 747 bracket में लिखा है 1/2020 dated 19/8/2020 and quotas prescribed for minorities, person with disabilities and women will be followed. Residents of Balochistan are encouraged to apply. Candidates from Balochistan will be given preference subject to meeting the criteria. Being the technical position, if the appropriate candidate is not found under the prescribed job quota, then the candidate will be selected on merit. Corporation reserves the right to reject any application without disclosing any reason to the applicants. PSW Pakistan single window PSW career opportunities. The Pakistan single window PSW is the public sector company incorporated under Section 42 of the Companies Act 2017 with the primary objective of acting as the operating entity of Pakistan Customers Federal Board of Revenue for the development and operation of the Pakistan single window PSW system to facilitate imports, exports and transit trade. The company is headquartered at Islamabad with its regional office at Karachi. PSW is looking for energetic and motivated professionals for the following vacant positions. Position title and location: Senior IT Business/System Analyst, location Karachi. Business Analyst Karachi. Associate IT Business/System Analyst Karachi. Assistant Manager Change Management KHI. Risk Manager IRMS KHI. Deputy Manager Financial Operations and Reporting ISP. Finance Executive Reconciliation and MIS ISP. Associate Software Architect Karachi/Islamabad. Principal Software Engineer 2. Lead Software Engineer KHI/ISB. Senior Software Engineer/Senior Software Engineer 2. Senior Software Engineer 3 KHI/ISB. Karachi/Islamabad. अच्छा, एनालिस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर/सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर 2 कराची इस्लामाबाद. सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्ट KHI कराची. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर फ्रंट एंड KHI. प्रिंसिपल डेटाबेस डेवलपर Karachi/Islamabad. प्रिंसिपल डेटाबेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर KHI. मैनेजर SQA KHI. SQA एनालिस्ट KHI. एसोसिएट SQA एनालिस्ट KHI. Senior SQA Analyst 1/Senior SQA Analyst 2/Senior SQA Analyst 3 KHI. Lead Information Systems Auditor KHI. Deputy Manager Communications KHI. Social Media Specialist ISB. Podcast Host ISB. People Services Specialist ISB. Deputy Manager Customer Service KHI. Database Architect KHI. Staff Business Analyst KHI Karachi. Senior Business Analyst WEBOC KHI. Software Support Engineer L2. Senior Business Analyst Software Engineer Dev OPS KHI/UI/US designer KHI Node. Interested candidates can apply. Interested candidates can apply online and view a detailed job description along with the qualifications and experience required for the positions mentioned above by visiting the official website of PSW www.psw.gov.pk or by sending their updated resume at careers@psw.gov.pk by mentioning the position title in the subject of the email. Application deadline 15 days after the date of advertisement. We are an equal opportunity employer. Females are encouraged to apply. Persons with special needs are persuaded to apply. All candidates are weighted strictly on merit. HR department पाकिस्तान सिंगल विंडो। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।